Did you know how versatile baking soda can be? This humble pantry staple, typically used for baking, hides a multitude of uses that extend beyond the kitchen. From health remedies to household hacks, baking soda's potential seems almost endless. In this video, we'll explore 11 powerful ways to use baking soda for your health and home. You'll learn how it can serve as a natural deodorant, provide heartburn relief, whiten teeth, and much more. Stay tuned to discover the powerful hacks that baking soda holds for health and home. Baking soda can serve as a natural deodorant. It's an interesting fact, isn't it? This common kitchen ingredient is a potent odor neutralizer. Its magic lies in its ability to react with both acids and bases, which are often the culprits of underarm odor. So how does it work? Well, when you perspire, the sweat on your skin provides a perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. These bacteria, in turn, produce the unpleasant odor we associate with sweat. Baking soda, however, creates an environment that is less hospitable to these bacteria, thereby keeping the odors at bay. Applying baking soda as a deodorant is quite simple. You just need to pat a little under your arms after your bath or shower. You can also mix it with a bit of cornstarch for a smoother application. And voila, you're fresh and ready to face the day. So ditch the chemical-laden products and switch to baking soda for a natural solution. Suffering from heartburn? Baking soda can come to your rescue. This humble kitchen staple, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has a superpower in neutralizing stomach acid, acting as a buffer. Picture it like a superhero swooping in to save the day, easing that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest and throat. Curious about how to use it? Simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water. Stir it until it dissolves and drink the solution. The baking soda reacts with the acid in your stomach, creating water and salt, and voila, you may just find your heartburn disappearing. But before you rush off to try this, remember, baking soda is a high-sodium substance, so it's not suitable for everyone. If you have high blood pressure or a sodium-restricted diet, consult your doctor first. And remember, it's a temporary solution and should not replace any prescribed treatment. Desire whiter teeth? Try baking soda. Now, baking soda isn't just for baking or eliminating odors from your fridge. It's also a cost-effective natural choice for whitening your teeth. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is mildly abrasive, which helps gently buff away surface stains on your teeth. Here's how to use it. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Then, apply this paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as you normally would. You'll notice that the texture is a bit grittier than your usual toothpaste. This is completely normal, but remember, while baking soda can help remove surface stains, it's not a substitute for regular brushing with fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride helps protect against tooth decay, a benefit that baking soda does not provide. Also, use baking soda sparingly, perhaps once a week. Overuse can wear away your tooth enamel, leading to sensitivity. However, use this sparingly to avoid damaging your teeth enamel. Did you know that baking soda is a fantastic cleaning agent? It's true, this humble kitchen staple is a powerhouse when it comes to keeping your home sparkling clean. Let's dive into the myriad ways baking soda can be used for cleaning purposes. Firstly, baking soda shines when it comes to cleaning kitchen surfaces. Just make a paste of baking soda and water, apply it to the surface, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub away. You'll be amazed at how it cuts through grease and grime, leaving your kitchen surfaces gleaming. But the magic doesn't stop there. Baking soda is also a champion at removing stains. Whether it's a coffee stain on your countertop or a wine stain on your carpet, baking soda can come to the rescue. Sprinkle it on the stain, add a little water, and scrub gently. Voila, the stain will lift right out. Finally, let's talk about odors. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer, which makes it perfect for freshening up your fridge. Just open a box of baking soda and place it in your refrigerator. It will absorb any unpleasant odors, keeping your fridge smelling fresh and clean. So, whether you're tackling dirty kitchen surfaces, stubborn stains, or a smelly fridge, baking soda has got you covered. That's one powerful cleaning agent sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Baking soda can also be used for skin exfoliation. This humble kitchen ingredient has a mild abrasive quality that makes it a perfect, natural exfoliant. It can gently scrub away the dead skin cells, revealing a fresh and radiant complexion underneath. But remember, moderation is the key. To use baking soda as a skin exfoliant, you will need to create a paste. Simply combine 1 part baking soda with 2 parts warm water. Mix it until you have a paste that's easy to spread. Apply this concoction to your face or body and gently massage in circular motions. Be careful not to scrub too hard, as this could irritate your skin. Once you're done, rinse off the paste with warm water and pat your skin dry. Always remember to moisturize after exfoliating, as this process can sometimes leave your skin feeling dry. So why not give it a try? Say hello to smoother and brighter skin with baking soda. Baking soda can provide relief from insect bites and itchy skin. That's right, this humble kitchen ingredient is not just for baking and cleaning. Its anti-inflammatory properties can calm your skin and provide much-needed relief. So how does it work? Well, when baking soda is applied to skin irritations like insect bites or rashes, it helps to neutralize the pH imbalance that is often the cause of itching. To use baking soda for this purpose, simply create a paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Then, apply this paste directly to the irritated skin and let it dry. Once it's dry, rinse it off with cool water. It's an easy, cost-effective, and natural way to soothe skin discomfort. You may even find the redness and swelling subside as the baking soda works its magic. So, keep baking soda handy during your next outdoor adventure. You never know when you might need it. Baking soda can help in hair care too. This humble kitchen staple is a hidden gem when it comes to hair care. With its mild alkaline properties, baking soda can help break down oils and residue from hair products, leaving your hair cleaner and fresher. So how do you use baking soda for hair care? It's simple. Mix 1 part baking soda with 3 parts water, creating a paste. Apply this mixture to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. You'll be amazed at how this simple routine can remove buildup, leaving your hair feeling light and bouncy. Remember though, moderation is key. Baking soda is powerful, and while it's great for occasional deep cleansing, it's not recommended for daily use. So, give this method a try, maybe once or twice a month. Experience cleaner and healthier hair with baking soda. Baking soda can also be used for foot care. It's a statement that may sound unusual, but indeed, this versatile compound offers a simple and cost-effective solution for common foot problems. Ever had a long day and your feet are aching? Baking soda, due to its alkaline nature, can help soothe tired feet. A simple foot soak in warm water mixed with a few tablespoons of baking soda can provide instant relief. Not only does this relax your muscles, but it also softens your skin, leaving your feet feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Baking soda is equally effective in combating foot odor. It neutralizes the pH of sweat and reduces bacteria that can cause unpleasant smells. Sprinkling a bit of baking soda in your shoes or socks can help keep your feet dry and odor-free throughout the day. So next time your feet need a little extra care, try using baking soda. It's an easy, affordable, and natural solution to foot care. Relax your feet with a baking soda foot soak. Baking soda can extinguish small fires. This might seem unexpected, but it's true. When baking soda is heated, it produces carbon dioxide gas. This gas is heavier than the oxygen in the air, so it pushes the oxygen away from the fire, effectively smothering it. This makes baking soda perfect for putting out small grease or electrical fires. Remember, never use water on these types of fires, as it can spread the flames. Always keep baking soda within reach in the kitchen. Let's recap the amazing baking soda hacks we've covered today. In our exploration, we've discovered how this simple ingredient, found in nearly every kitchen, can be a versatile powerhouse. We kicked off with baking soda's role as a natural deodorant, offering a chemical-free alternative to keep you fresh. Then we saw how it could provide relief from heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid, a testimony to its medicinal virtues. Baking soda's cosmetic potential was revealed as a teeth whitener, giving us a brighter smile without the high cost of professional treatments. Its role in the cleaning arena was also highlighted, proving that it's more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a true ally in maintaining a clean and healthy home. We delved into the world of skincare and saw how baking soda can act as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter complexion. It also came to our rescue for insect bites and itchy skin, providing much-needed relief. Our journey took us to hair care next, where baking soda proved to be a great product for removing residue and improving hair health. And let's not forget foot care. A baking soda foot soak can help soften and refresh tired feet. Lastly, we discovered that baking soda can even put out small fires, adding firefighter to its impressive resume. Baking soda truly is a versatile powerhouse for health and home. Try these hacks and unleash the power of baking soda.